Happy Friday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ben Derry. Thanks for checking us out on KARE 11 Plus. It's an active weather day across the Midwest as a strong cold front works its way from west to east across the area. Areas behind the frontal system are dealing with much colder conditions than what we felt earlier this morning, and areas on the warmer side of this boundary had the potential of seeing some severe weather over the next couple of hours. Two watch boxes that we're watching closely. First, a severe thunderstorm watch, which includes extreme eastern Minnesota, Washington, Chisago, Pine County, and into the northern half of Wisconsin. That goes until 5 p.m. Some large hail and certainly some heavy rain possible, and a tornado watch for parts of southeastern Minnesota with the emphasis central and southern Wisconsin. That goes until 8 p.m. tonight, where several tornadoes are possible, along with some large hail and potentially some damaging wind as well. Now, just to bring you up to speed, the watches just mean that ingredients are here where we could potentially see severe weather over the next couple of hours. A warning is severe weather is either happening or it's imminent. So if you see a tornado warning pop up, that means that there's either a tornado on the ground or radar's indicating that there's enough rotation where a tornado is possible. So those are the differences between watches and warnings. And just another sort of way to kind of bring you through the afternoon, there's a lot of storm energy on the warmer side of this boundary. Warm air rises, so wherever we have that rising motion is going to give us the best chance for severe weather. Notice the high energy is in southeastern Minnesota, and watch as we head deeper into the afternoon. By 4 p.m., that high energy is now out of Minnesota. So once we get beyond 3-4 o'clock this afternoon, the severe weather threat will move east of Minnesota and push into parts of central and southern Wisconsin, again, where we expect more of the strong to severe storms to really exist later today. Boy, it's a big cold front too. Look at the temperature difference here. This here is a forecast model, 70s out ahead of the front, 50s and even 30s on the cooler side of this boundary. And watch what happens to temperatures as we head deeper into the day. This is 6 p.m. We had a high temperature of 67 earlier this morning at MSP. Forecast temperatures will be dropping into the 40s by the end of the day today, and that will set us up for a much cooler weather weekend. Radar has been pretty active. Earlier today, we did have some severe weather that passed just south of the Twin Cities. Places like Faribault, the Kansas City area, once again saw some severe hail. The leftover of that storm is now dissipating as it pushes into the Hayward Lakes area. But we do have some active weather across central and northern Minnesota, and yes, even some snow showers that are exiting just east of the Red River Valley. Let's zoom in closer to these non-severe storms. It looks pretty active, but just keep in mind these are all post-frontal thunderstorms, some heavy rain, some lightning and thunder, maybe some small to pea-sized to dime-sized hail in some of these larger cells. But because these storms are behind the cold front, they are forecast to stay sub-severe. That's in and around the St. Cloud area. Eastward along Highway 95, you can see Princeton dealing with some heavy rain, showers and thunderstorms as well. And again, some small hail expected. Elk River northward along 169. That's where the sub-severe storms are expected. The storms that are garnering more attention are on the warmer side of this boundary. This is radar for southeastern Minnesota. Again, east of the I-35 corridor, just north of Austin. There's one cell that's intensifying. I wouldn't be surprised if that turns severe because, again, we have a lot more energy, better ingredients necessary for strong to severe thunderstorms in southeastern Minnesota. And as we head deeper into the afternoon, that storm threat will continue to move eastward with time. This is Microcast, a high-resolution forecast model that shows us drying out around the Twin Cities near and during the evening rush. And notice the brighter conditions here, the heavy thunderstorms, parts of central Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, and especially the southern part of Wisconsin as well. This is 5:30, Wausau, the Rhinelander area, further south down towards, say, the Wisconsin Dells, the Quad Cities area, and eastern Iowa. Those are the areas with a better chance of seeing some of that severe weather. Partial clearing overnight tonight, but otherwise the rain and snow threat, we should say, is done as we head into the upcoming weekend. Saturday morning could bring some lower clouds and maybe a few snow flurries across far northern Minnesota, but no accumulating snow is expected. We just expect much cooler temperatures as we head into the weekend and early next week. So bottom line, bulk of the severe weather is shifting drifting south and east away from the Twin Cities, tumbling temperatures through this afternoon and much cooler as we head into the upcoming weekend. 55 degrees, basically what we are seeing right now this early afternoon, with temperatures falling into the 40s by the evening commute, and combine that with a northwest wind between 10 and 20 miles per hour. It's going to be a chilly one. So if you are going to the home opener repeat at Target Field, prepare for 40s and probably wind chill values in the 30s, but at least the chance for rain will be diminishing, which is good news there. Again, you can see colder temperatures behind this front working their way into the region. Here's your weekend forecast for the Twin City, or for the surrounding area, I should say. And temperatures will be chilly the next couple of days on the cooler side of this cold front. Slight warming as we head into Sunday, and again, maybe a little breezy heading into Saturday as that colder air continues to move in. We're still seasonably cool on Sunday, but just keep in mind that the wind will be lighter, and we do expect a good amount of sunshine for the second half of the weekend as well. And once we get beyond Saturday, it's kind of our one lone chilly day. We should see brighter conditions by Saturday afternoon, temperatures in the lower 40s. Sunshine returns in earnest by Sunday, a pretty decent second half of the weekend. Then a sunny stretch and warming temperatures through the first half of next week. 60s on Monday, and then low to mid 70s possible Tuesday and Wednesday, with their next chance for rain by next Thursday.